Hi friends, welcome back to my caliente kitchen. Well, today is Wednesday, the day after my book got released yesterday. So I am grateful for so many things. One, that I'm here talking to you about my book. Two, I am grateful for all those friends, clients, followers that took their time, their sweet, busy time to take selfies with my book and letting me know that their book have arrived to their homes. I am grateful for all those people that already took time to write reviews. I think I have over 15 reviews now. Reviews help the book, so please, if you have gotten your book, obviously make the recipes and give me an honest review. I'm grateful for all those people that think their book is amazing, which obviously I think it is amazing. And of course, I am grateful that I'm able to create this book for your health, which is the most important thing. You are going to, if you're looking to lose some weight or just eat healthy, nutritious, delicious recipes, this is the book for you. All right, so today I'm actually going to make a breakfast that I find to be quite delicious. This is a banana cacao oat pancake. The recipe will be found in the book, but I'm gonna do a demo today on how easy is these pancakes. Now, these pancakes can not only be eaten for breakfast, by the way. Every single time I make these pancakes, I actually don't eat it for breakfast. I eat them as a snack at 4 p.m. Right when you are hungry for something sweet, maybe savory. You can add a little bit of cottage cheese on top. Trust me, these pancakes are the way to go. And of course, I made them gluten-free for those people that are not, that have celiac disease or gluten intolerant. But again, gluten-free does not mean weight loss. I just want to make that clear. They're just gluten-free for those because I wanted to really cover more people with your nutrition preferences or needs. Now, are you ready? Let's get cooking, my friends. So these pancakes are gonna be made in the blender. And we have bananas, right, as one of the ingredients to provide the sweet take of the pancake. Then I add milk. Now, because I am lactose free, I'm lactose intolerant, I'm sorry, I am using lactose-free milk. By the way, lactose-free milk contains all 9 essential nutrients and high-quality protein. Then I am adding some Greek yogurt for protein. Now, this one here is quite delicious. And then obviously provide some probiotics as well. And then I'm gonna crack a couple eggs. Actually, I'm gonna add some oil. You can use canola or olive oil. I am using olive oil this time since this is what I have in my house. You can use canola as well or any oil you like. We're gonna crack 2 eggs, more protein. As you see, these pancakes are high in protein. Now, the reason why I like to make things high in protein is because protein not only will make you feel satisfied, but will control your hunger. So by eating 2 of these pancakes, trust me, you're gonna be satisfied. Now we're gonna add a little bit of vanilla extract, and then we have some cinnamon powder. And then again in the book, it says to add a half a teaspoon. I'm actually adding a whole teaspoon because I like cinnamon. Now with spices, turmeric, cinnamon, cumin, throughout the book, you can follow the measurements that I'm telling you because I already have done the test. But if you like a little more cinnamon or if you like a little more cumin, obviously not cumin here, but if you like a little more of those spices, spices do not change the calorie level, so you can spice up more your recipes. Now this is some baking soda, sea salt. By the way, I like to add a little bit of salt into some desserts and breakfast because sodium enhances the flavors, and that becomes a really good pancake because You have the sweet tone here with the sea salt, quite delicious. And then I'm adding oats as your, I guess, binder. This is just whole oats. You can use 1 minute quick oats. Now, also, here's another trick about controlling your hunger and controlling your weight. Protein and fiber. Now, fiber helps you to fill up, and that helps with feeling more full, because fiber, especially oats, have soluble fiber. They expand in your stomach and it makes you feel fuller. So these pancakes are a winner. It's perfect for weight loss, perfect for those people that wanna control their hunger and have a satisfying breakfast, or remember your 4 p.m. snack. All right, so we're gonna go now. All right, so normally what I do too, I help my blender with an extra spoon to make sure you get all the ingredients there. And now we're gonna blend one more time. That sounds good. And we go again. All right, so here's another trick about now making those pancakes. You can use an electric pot here like I use, which I love to use all the time, or a grill, or in your, obviously, a skillet, and have your pancakes. Now the pancakes, normally I like to use a measuring cup as I pour the pancakes, so they are the same size. And again, if you're trying to lose weight, remember something, portion control is key. So this could be very nutritious. This could have the most good nutrients, but if you don't control your portions, it won't matter. I don't care how healthy, how heart healthy, how much gluten-free these pancakes can be. It's all about portions. Now, since I'm gonna actually take this blade here out of here, I'm gonna add the cacao nibs. We add them at the end. Cacao nibs, also by the way, let's put that in here. Cacao nibs is 100% cacao, and cacao has been shown to actually control your appetite. Now, since controls appetite, then obviously it's great for weight loss. Now, cacao nibs as well are good source of antioxidants. Antioxidants that actually can protect your heart. So we're gonna add some cacao nibs, and then don't use the blender anymore. Just blend them with your spoon, because you don't want cacao nibs to be, grind with your pancake mix. Okay, so then easy, using a 1/3 cup, we pour the butter there, and we're gonna add. And then what you do is you cook these at low heat for about 3 minutes for one side, and the next side you cook for about 2 minutes. All right, so that's what you do with your pancakes. Okay, I'm making a mess, but that's okay. We like messes. All right, so now cook these, and I'm gonna move this over here. And I already have, once this cook, we're gonna enjoy the pancakes. So always I like to add more plants, right? So you can add whatever berries you like. Here I have strawberries and banana, or a little more cacao and banana slices. And then of course, I'm gonna add a little bit of maple syrup. You don't need to add a lot, just very tiny, like a teaspoon for both of them, because the pancakes are already quite tasty by themselves. Now in the book, I made a mixed berry reduction syrup. Quite delicious. I didn't make that today, but you can find it in the book. Now I'm gonna taste this pancake and see. Quite nice. Delicious. And so easy to make. There's not really a lot of work. You can make this in advance for the week. Fold them and cellophane on aluminum paper or cellophane paper on a glassware cover. Refrigerate for 3-5 days, and you can have this for breakfast during the week, or as I said before, as your snack. All right. So one more announcement I have for you. Next week, hold the day, April 8th, 5 p.m. Pacific time, 8 p.m. Eastern time. I am going to cook with you. So if you haven't seen my announcement yet, check it out. I'm going to be announcing it throughout the week. And we're going to make 2 recipes from my book, the low calorie weight loss cookbook. But this time, I want you to cook with me. So I'm going to give you the recipes in advance. Even if you don't have the book, I don't care. I'm going to share the recipe with you over this weekend so you can go to the supermarket and buy the ingredients. So next Thursday, we're gonna cook together. And by the way, we're gonna drink some wine. This is gonna be a 1-hour event. And for those that have my book and will like my signature, I will send you personally an email with a virtual signature. So you can print it and put it in your book. Because unfortunately, this year, I cannot do a book signing in person. But thank God for technology, I can do a virtual signature. And we're gonna cook together. That sounds lovely. So you're gonna get your ingredients ready. I'm gonna have my ingredients ready, and we're gonna cook together. So it's gonna be a fantastic event. It's gonna be a party cooking event. All right, my friends. So I hope you have enjoyed today's Caliente Kitchen. Buy your book if you haven't yet. You're gonna love it. And remember, I'm across social media in both languages, English and Spanish. And if you wanna learn more about myself, visit manuelvillacorta.com. And thank you everyone for supporting this book and my work. I'm always grateful. Until next time. That came out good.